Yesterday, barber swing called the spider Jeffrey. Taking no faces. Different colored diamonds. Alright, y'all. Copyright reasons. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm just gonna catch you guys up on what's been going on with the portfolio. Let's get straight into it. What hasn't been going on with the portfolio, to be honest. So far, we're still up for the year. Positive for some reason. I don't know how. I think we just did really good beginning of January. And I don't know how long those gains are gonna last into the rest of the year. But just like I said in the last sit down conversation, all swing trades, once they break the 4 hour and the 1 day in the opposite direction, I cut them off. So do with that what you will. So buying Microsoft every day for however many months I did isn't looking so well right now, but one day hopefully I can look back at this journey. I'm so glad I bought Microsoft. Just to put you guys in the 22-year-olds or 23, I'm forgetting I got older. Just trying to put you guys in the 23-year-olds perspective on what's going on in the market right now. Realistically, I'm kind of just accepting the fact that I don't know what's going on. I don't really think I need to know. I just know over the long term, up and to the right. That's just what I keep telling myself. I haven't bought any more shares of anything. I did swap out Equifax before earnings. So remember, I only had 7 positions in my portfolio. I did swap out Equifax for MasterCard. I just believe that's a better company. So more in-depth video on that coming soon. We are officially sub 90K right now. I don't know, next video might be a sub 80K video, but over the long term, I think we'll be all right. I am starting to see why you have to go long term first. I was doing a 50-50 thing with my portfolio. It was 50% long term, 50% options, even though you need a lot more capital for options. I see now, I understand why you have to go long term first. So you live and you learn, but it's crazy. Everything's crazy nowadays. I'm probably sitting on from about 20 something options. At the beginning of the year, I'm probably sitting at right under maybe 10 max. And some are just 70%ers, negative 70%ers that I'm just holding onto for dear life. And then the others are some positive ones that are definitely looking like they about to turn negative. But we still have probably 2 more months of inconsistency or just indecision. That's what I'm at least preparing for. If we do have 2 more months of this shit, I'm definitely gonna see probably 80. I'll probably see 70K portfolio. And it's crazy because my positions, my long-term positions are actually worth 70K right now. So I'm thinking of new ways to protect myself from a dip like this. While I was driving here to my doctor's appointment today, I came up with the idea of every trade I make. Even though I've been doing this a little bit, I'm thinking I'm about to make this a solid rule in my book that every trade I make, options trade I make, every percentage of the profit has to go into a long-term position every single time. Or at least if I cross a certain threshold. I don't know. I just thought about the idea, so I'm just sharing it right now. But other than that, stay positive, stay motivated. That's all I'm trying to do. The market been falling for a minute. It's been inconsistent. And Trump definitely did scare me out of some positions that I probably could have stayed in. Silver did fall, so if you were paying attention to the previous video, I did sell at 500% profit, you feel me? I did get back in today, which is the 4th. Well, I got back in yesterday, and I'm seeing some green already, so I probably won't stay in it too long, because I feel like it's definitely coming back down some more, to be honest. It ran up too much. Yeah, it's definitely coming back down because I don't even think the RSI came off above. Don't worry about it. But I'll probably run this up back to resistance and then get out. I did swing it. So I did a 3-month thing with it. Crypto is falling. I don't know. Now I feel like I got to take a loan out to buy some Bitcoin. That'd be crazy, right? Is there anybody else that thinks like that? Crypto's falling. Take a loan out, buy some Bitcoin. I don't know. But a couple good things that's going on that we probably need to touch on. I do finally have a job. Well, I guess I don't have a job, but I got an offer letter I'm just waiting to do the drug test and the final thingies. So first job, probably gonna make a whole video on that, who I'm with, what position. I know I've been asking YouTube for a lot of assistance, so I appreciate y'all. We made it. I got me a liquid 9 to 5. It is remote, so it's not nothing too crazy. I'll share the details of that on a different video, but I think that's pretty much it. Just a quick little summary of what's going on. I got a couple things planned out for the rest of the year already. We got the job, we got trips planned. I'm just trying not to let the constant 5% negative days affect my mental right now. That's where I'm at mentally. So let me know where you guys are at mentally. There's a lot going on in my head. I'm about to go get tortured at physical therapy. Life as a 23-year-old military vet, it's so much and so little going on in my head at the same time. So market updates, we are definitely headed in the 80K portfolio range. I am sitting on cash a lot more now. I don't know what to do with it. I feel like it'll be kind of an April thing, same thing from last year where we were sitting on cash and then deployed, what was it, 8 grand into the market, and that 8 grand made us 20 in 4 months. I feel like that's the best case scenario. But if I was to double that kind of investment, I think we should be able to make some shake. I don't know. At what point, I do have a question, because at what point does it get easy to hold through these drawdowns? I think that's what I need to know. Because I don't think this thing gonna get easier at all. Because think about it. The more successful you become, the more these drawdowns start to look a little bigger. Man, I have a lot of questions. We probably need to do a little bit more sit down conversation style, you know what I mean, videos, instead of trying to just throw information at y'all, how to do this, how to do that. Other than that, make sure y'all check me out on social media, or if y'all want to, at least Surffields TV is my main platform. Femi Abdul is the content creator side of me. Same thing on YouTube. So I'm only on Instagram and YouTube right now. I do have plans to eventually build a community out of this. And I'm not really trying to make nothing crazy. I just want a group of people that want to learn and grow and just help each other in any way possible. That's my vision. That's like big term vision. But it's kind of like discouraging when the market ain't going too well. I'm always in pain. I got therapy every time the market open. Market is about to open in 20 minutes and I'm not even gonna be here. I'm gonna be getting pressed on it. But stay positive, stay motivated, keep pushing. You got this. But share this with a friend if y'all enjoy this kind of videos. Share this with a friend, at least one more person. We're trying to get the channel to at least 1,000 subs by the end of the year. We have 10 months to do that, not counting this joint. We got some work to do. We're back in school. Classes is still boinking us up. This is a lot going on for me. I'm in school, trading, trying to trade at least. It's not going too well. I'm in school, trading, trying to learn a new skill, which is futures. That's been hell. Dealing with consistent lack of being present because of my injuries and always being at the freaking doctor. I don't know, trying to just be positive. I guess it gets a little hard sometimes, but it is what it is. I do have to go. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Stay positive, stay motivated. You got this, you know what I mean? We all got this. We gonna make it. We just gotta focus on the long-term goals. All right, peace and love, baby.